A lot of people, they do not use turn signal when they turn. I think that's a bad habit. Driving a car, driving vocabulary, driving license, or we can say license, insurance, seatbelt, gas station or petrol station, engine, turning signal, look at here, turning signal, indicator. A lot of people, they do not use turn signal when they turn. I think that's a bad habit. I hope when you turn, use the turn signal to tell other drivers you're going to turn. So they can prepare, they can let you go, they will slow down, etc., etc., guys. Remember this one, it's very useful. Turn signal or indicator. Steering wheel, fuel, gasoline, petrol, diesel, oil, auto repair shop. This is US. UK pronounce it garage or garage. Mechanic, flat tire. Look at this tire, it's flat. Flat tire. Wipers. Pedestrian crossing, or we can say zebra crossing, right? Traffic lights. Green, red, yellow traffic lights. Let's check the car. We have, we can put our suitcase here, trunk, boot, tire and tire, hood, bonnet, headlight, wheel. All right, let's check. Next part, parking attendant, speed camera, parking meter, wheel clamp, parking ticket, car wash, speed limit, road sign, traffic jam, parking lot. Check the verbs. To park, to set off, to check the oil, to fill up. Pay attention to this L and U, pronounce lup. To fill up, to check the tires, to service the car, to signal. We just mentioned that. Don't forget to signal, to indicate, to brake, to slow down, to speed up, to pick someone up. Like tomorrow night, I am going to pick my uncle and aunt up to the airport. So happy. Next one, to drop someone off, to have a car accident, to break down, to pass, to overtake.